Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two things. You have roughly level 25 and an open armor slot, and you can fast travel to Limgrave. Once done, mount Torrent and head northeast toward the ruined Church of LA area. This short route skips longer detours. Make sure to avoid unnecessary combat, sprint past weak groups to conserve resources. Keep a few flasks ready and equip gear that increases poise slightly. This improves survivability during the quick grab and exit sequence. Once you reach the target ruin, move directly to the site of grace or doorway that leads inside and save. Then, use Torrent to flank the building or hug walls to minimize detection. If you must fight, isolate one enemy at a time. Move to the interior chest or body indicated on your map and open it immediately, because enemies respawn and can interrupt. If the item isn't present, double-check surrounding alcoves. Sometimes armor spawns in a nearby room rather than the main hall. After looting, equip the Fingerprint armor and immediately check your equip load and movement penalties. Adjust talismans or remove heavy items to regain mobility if needed. Once equipped, fast travel to the nearest site of grace and test rolling and blocking to confirm functionality. If the armor is missing, do not panic. Reload your last site of grace, return to the interior, and methodically sweep every chest and corpse. Sometimes the spawn is randomized, or the item sits in an adjacent nook. That retry fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.